Steve here, and today, right now, we're going to make some use of this mass airflow cleaner, and we're going to go in here and we're going to clear the mass airflow sensor on our vehicle. Anyways, so we're going to pull this off. We're going to blast it with some mass airflow cleaner, and it's going to be pretty simple, I hope. Doesn't seem like it's going to be that hard. And then later, I'm probably going to come back in and do the throttle body. I just don't want to do that right now. So I'm just going to work on that right now, and then we'll pull this off later. So pull this off. We don't want any dirt and crud getting down into the sensor. And apparently what this does is it measures the amount of air that's coming into the engine so it can properly adjust the fuel mixture. Get everything working properly. Sounds like that's important. Okay, so we're just gonna depress this clip here. Protect those wires. Make sure there's a little lever if you can see it. It's just gonna rise up at the end there. Pop that down. There we go. Okay. A bit of crud coming up when I undid those screws, so just blow that out as we're going along. Where am I going to put this? Yeah, there we go. Apparently, you're supposed to use a lot of this mass airflow sensor cleaner. There it is. So it looks pretty clean, actually. Oh, that side there is dirtier. I can see how that's not shiny. That side is shiny. Which totally makes sense, because that's going in like that, and the air is coming this way across those wires, so it makes sense that that side there would be dirtier. Okay. Okay. Let's just read this quickly. Read entire label before using. Okay, whatever. Do not apply while equipment isn't energized. Turn off vehicle. Locate your MAF between the airbox. Throttle body. Unplug the MAF wire harness. Okay, done that. Remove the housing. Place shop towel under MAF to catch any runoff. With straw attached, apply 10 to 15 sprays of MAF sensor cleaner onto the hot wires or hot plate. Do not contact hot wires with straw or any other object. Be sure to spray all sides of the MAF sensor and clean all wires and connectors. Reassemble MAF and allow it to dry thoroughly before reactivating. For best results, clean your mass airflow sensor every time you clean or change your air filter. Do not use on vehicles with Karman Vortex airflow sensor. Toyota Super Turbos, Mitsubishis, and most Lexus vehicles. I think we're okay there. Okay. There we go. Okay. Whew. Watching a video where somebody pulled one of these out of a vehicle and this was all melted, and he was saying that chances are whoever cleaned it before him didn't use mass airflow sensor, so don't use something like brake fluid cleaner or any other solvent. Apparently this just vaporizes very quickly and doesn't leave any residue, so which is great, which is why I'm just spraying it out here. I remember reading one place where they said you're probably going to go through half a can. I think I'm good there. I'm being careful when I'm shaking that. I'm holding it really tight because the last thing I want to do is drop it. Because apparently these suckers are very expensive. Like hundreds of dollars expensive. Anyways, that looks a lot cleaner, that's for sure. Yeah, that was the side where it was black before. So that looks really good. Pretty excited about that. Okay, so I think that's going to be dry. It's been a few minutes, 10-15 minutes I think. So pop that in. Just gently twist it, make sure it's seated down in there. And then these little screws, I grabbed a different screwdriver. It's a little smaller. So I don't want to round them off. Get that one started. Go. Just slowly wiggle that in, clip it into place, and we're good to go. Awesome. So that was it. That was pretty easy. Mass airflow sensor cleaning. That's going to be done for a little while, and I checked the engine air filter a little while ago. It was clean, so that's good. Looks like that was done prior to me getting the car, so I don't think, obviously they did that because I could see that that was dirty. Next thing I'll do is I'll pull this off, a little bit more involved, undo some more bolts, undo this clamp, and then get access to this throttle body. I'm going to go in there and take a look at that. I've got some throttle body carburetor cleaner, so I'm going to go in there and spray the heck out of that and scrub it to make sure there's no deposits in there. But glad I got that done and out of the way.